The clock on the dashboard read 3:15 in the morning. The world outside was silent, the kind of quiet that only exists in the earliest hours, when most are still lost in dreams. But for Sarah, sleep was a distant memory. Sarah sat in her car, the engine off, the quiet hum of the suburban street her only company. She stared out the window, watching the faint glow of porch lights flicker in the distance, feeling both present and invisible at once. Tears blurred the dim glow of the streetlights as she replayed the night's panic. Her blood sugar had crashed again. The fear was raw, a cold rush that left her breathless, her heart pounding in her chest. Each episode felt like a reminder of how fragile her control really was. Fumbling for glucose tablets, hands shaking, she wondered if this relentless cycle would ever end. The taste of glucose was familiar, almost routine, but the anxiety never faded. She questioned how much longer she could keep living like this, always on edge, always afraid of the next drop. Every day felt like a battle, fatigue, anxiety, and the constant calculations around food. She measured every meal, counted every carb, and still, the numbers on her meter seemed to have a mind of their own. The exhaustion seeped into every part of her life, making even simple tasks feel overwhelming. Social events became stressful, every meal a source of guilt, and friends just didn't understand. She watched others laugh and eat freely while she calculated, worried, and sometimes pretended to be fine. The isolation grew, making her feel like an outsider in her own life. Despite following her doctor's advice, Sarah felt she was losing herself. The medications, the appointments, the endless advice, it all blurred together, leaving her feeling more like a patient than a person. She missed the days when her life wasn't defined by numbers and routines. One night, desperate for answers, she found a story online, David's story. She scrolled through forums, reading post after post, searching for something that felt real, something that offered more than just another tip or trick. He described the same fears but also a turning point, the diabetes solution kit. David's words were honest, raw, and filled with a hope she hadn't felt in years. He spoke of setbacks, but also of progress, and a sense of control she longed for. It wasn't a miracle cure, but a roadmap to understanding the root causes of blood sugar swings. The guide promised clarity, not perfection, and that felt more real than anything she'd heard before. It offered practical steps, not just promises. Skeptical but curious, Sarah decided to try it. One small spark of hope. She ordered the kit, not expecting miracles, but needing to believe that change was possible. For the first time in a long while, she felt a flicker of possibility. That decision marked the beginning of her journey back to life, not just survival. Each day she learned something new, about her body, her choices, and her strength. The journey wasn't easy, but it was hers, and that made all the difference. Sarah's struggle is shared by millions, trapped in a system that manages symptoms, but rarely offers real hope. Across the world, people like her wake up each day facing the same fears, the same doubts, and the same longing for something better. But there is a new chapter, one of empowerment, knowledge, and lasting change. Support groups, new research and resources like the Diabetes Solution Kit are helping people rewrite their stories, one step at a time. This is the story of reclaiming life from diabetes. It's about hope, courage, and the belief that with the right tools, anyone can find their way back to themselves. Our modern world is a minefield for metabolic health. Ultra-processed foods, loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats, overwhelm our bodies. Sedentary lifestyles mean our muscles, the body's glucose sponges, aren't used, fueling insulin resistance. Chronic stress keeps cortisol high, pushing blood sugar up even when we're just sitting at a desk. We're told to eat less, move more, but the real problem is a mismatch between our ancient biology and today's environment. The result? Even with willpower, stable blood sugar feels out of reach. To truly regain control, we must address the root causes: diet, movement, and stress. It's not about blame, it's about understanding the forces working against us. Real change starts when we look beyond symptom management. The Diabetes Solution Kit, created by Barton Nutrition and Dr. Scott Saunders, MD, offers a new approach. It's not a supplement or a restrictive diet, but a digital guide to help you address the root causes of blood sugar imbalance. The program empowers you to heal from within, focusing on inflammation, gut health, stress, and nutrition. Instead of chasing numbers, you build true metabolic health. The kit is all natural, educational, and free from side effects. It gives you step-by-step guidance, practical tips, and a framework for lasting change. Most importantly, it puts you in control of your health journey. The Diabetes Solution Kit is more than an ebook. It's a complete toolkit. The Diabetes Reversal Blueprint is your step-by-step roadmap for natural blood sugar management. Meal planning guides and grocery lists make healthy eating simple and stress-free. The Stress Management Toolkit and Exercise Support Plan help you lower cortisol and improve insulin sensitivity. Everything is designed for real life. No gym required, no complicated recipes. You'll also get expert interviews and a guide to natural supplements, always with the advice to consult your doctor. Every resource supports your mind, body, and spirit. It's a truly holistic solution for lasting health. The benefits of the Diabetes Solution Kit ripple through every part of your life. Users report more energy, stable moods, and clearer thinking. No more afternoon crashes or brain fog. The program transforms fear around food into confidence, making meals enjoyable again. You gain the tools to manage your health, not just your blood sugar. The holistic approach, reducing inflammation, healing the gut, managing stress, protects your heart, brain, and more. It's not just about diabetes, it's about building a foundation for lifelong wellness. You become the architect of your well-being. This is food freedom, not deprivation. The result, a healthier, more vibrant you. When it comes to health, nothing speaks louder than real stories from real people. These are the journeys that show the true power of this program. Stories of everyday individuals who faced challenges, made changes, and discovered what's possible. Take David, for example. As a contractor, he was used to hard work, but type 2 diabetes left him exhausted and dependent on daily insulin injections. The constant fatigue and worry about his health weighed heavily on him, making even simple tasks feel overwhelming. Everything changed when David started the Diabetes Solution Kit. With each step, he saw his blood sugar drop steadily. Over time, he lost 25 pounds, his joint pain faded, and he began to feel energy he hadn't felt in years. The transformation was more than physical, it was a new outlook on life. "I feel like I've been given a second chance," David says, reflecting on his journey. The relief and hope in his voice are unmistakable. This kit taught me how to live again. I'm not just surviving, I'm thriving, enjoying moments I thought I'd lost forever. With his progress, David's doctor reduced his medications. For the first time in years, David felt in control of his health, empowered to make choices that mattered. Then there's Maria, a dedicated teacher who was diagnosed with prediabetes. The news left her overwhelmed by fear and confusion, unsure where to turn or how to protect her future. The Diabetes Solution Kit gave Maria a clear path forward. Its easy-to-follow steps and practical stress relief tools helped her take control. In just 2 months, she dropped her A1C from 6.1% to 5.4%, and her confidence soared. "The fear is gone," Maria shares, her face lighting up with relief. She's no longer held back by uncertainty. "Now I have the knowledge to keep myself and my family healthy. I'm teaching my children habits that will last a lifetime." For both David and Maria, the journey wasn't just about numbers on a chart. It was about reclaiming their lives, reconnecting with loved ones, and rediscovering joy in everyday moments. These inspiring stories are living proof. Transformation is possible, no matter where you start. Real change happens one step at a time. The Diabetes Solution Kit is more than just a plan. It's a path to hope, a community of support, and a guide to a brighter, healthier future. Real people, real results. Your story could be next. Change is within reach, and a healthier, happier life is possible for you too. Let's weigh the Diabetes Solution Kit. Pros: it's natural, holistic, and based on proven wellness principles. No side effects, no ongoing costs. At under $20, it's affordable and includes lifetime access. The flexible meal plans, simple exercises, and stress tools fit real life. The 365-day money-back guarantee makes it risk-free. Cons: it's not a magic cure, you have to do the work. It's digital only, which may not suit everyone. And it's an educational resource, not a replacement for your doctor. You must buy from the official website for authenticity and support. Consider these points to decide if this empowering approach is right for you. Getting started is simple and risk-free. The Diabetes Solution Kit costs just $19.97, a one-time payment for lifetime digital access. Barton Nutrition often offers a 30% discount and exclusive bonuses through their official website. You can't buy it on Amazon or in stores. Only direct from Barton Nutrition ensures authenticity and the full guarantee. The standout feature, a 365-day money-back guarantee. Try the program for a full year. If you're not satisfied, get a complete refund. There's no risk, just a small investment in your health and future. Take the first step and see the difference for yourself. Right now, we're standing at a pivotal turning point in diabetes care, a moment that could redefine your future. For years, the narrative around diabetes has been one of constant struggle, fear, and inevitable decline. But today, that story is changing, and you have the power to be part of this new chapter. The old story, lifelong struggle and decline, is being replaced by one of hope, empowerment, and real possibility. People everywhere are discovering that it's possible to take control, to feel better, and to live with confidence again. The Diabetes Solution Kit is more than just a product, it's your invitation to a new beginning. It's a toolkit designed to help you reclaim your health, step by step, with guidance and support at every stage. Imagine waking up each morning feeling energized and hopeful, enjoying delicious meals without fear or guilt, and living life on your own terms. Picture yourself sharing laughter and moments with loved ones, free from the constant worry about your health. Thousands of people, just like you, have already transformed their health and their lives with this program. They've experienced real results, regained their confidence, and found a renewed sense of purpose. And with the current discount and a full-year guarantee, there's truly nothing to lose. You can try the kit risk-free, knowing you're supported every step of the way. Don't wait for a crisis to force your hand. Take action now, not just for yourself, but for your family and everyone who cares about you. Your health is worth fighting for, and you deserve to feel your best. Click the link below, claim your Diabetes Solution Kit, and take the first step on your journey back to vibrant health. Every journey begins with a single decision. Make yours today. This is more than just a program. It's your declaration of change, your commitment to a brighter, healthier future. You have the strength within you to make this transformation. Your story of transformation starts today. Every day is a new opportunity to make progress, to feel better, and to move closer to the life you want. Pick up the pen and write your next chapter. The time is now. Your journey to better health begins with a single step.